Pangolins, often called scaly anteaters, boast a unique defense mechanism. They can roll into a tight, nearly impenetrable ball when threatened. Comprising 8 species, these solitary nocturnal creatures are the only mammals with protective keratin scales. Unfortunately, pangolins face severe threats from illegal wildlife trade. Their scales are erroneously believed to have medicinal properties. Conservation efforts are crucial to safeguard these intriguing mammals and preserve the delicate balance of ecosystems they inhabit.